In a garden's heartbeat, it all begins with one humble lychee. We peel back its crimson armour, layer by layer. A little messy, but magic often is. Watch closely. Whoosh! We speed through the squish and scoop, unveiling the seed at the core. Ancient, ambitious, a little slippery. And here it is, nestled in hand, a future tree waiting to happen. Into the soil it goes, tucked with care. A cosy pot, a gentle press, like tucking it in for a nap. A sprinkle of water, just enough to say, "Grow, little one, the world awaits." Now, time folds. 14 days in a blink. And on the 10th, a green whisper, a tiny shoot rising from the dark. The story begins.